Hi guys, do you remember me from the first channel, Karen Mercado? Second channel is Nicole Vida. Third channel is Nicole Vida, the flower wallpaper. Then the second Nicole Vida is the I have to do that. I have to like that and that. What channel? The Joanne Joyce, the Hello Kitty one. So friends, tell me what it is by name. Okay, I'm gonna sing it to you. Right, go. Wait. I said I looking you right. Why are you crying? Tell me now, tell me why you feeling. I hate to see you so down, baby. Is it your heart? Oh, that's breaking on pieces, making you cry, making you feel blue. Is there anything that I can do? Why don't you tell me why it hurts? I can't tell. And I do my best to make it better. Doesn't understand. You could go away. Just tell me why it hurts. Tell me. And I love you with a love so tender. I love harder. She's coming from. Why are they falling? Somebody, somebody left your heart in the cold. You just need somebody to hold on, baby. Give it a chance to put back all the pieces. Your broken heart breaks it just like me. There's so many things that I can do. Why don't you tell me why you hurt my baby? Now do my best to make it better. Yes, I'll do my best to make so still don't go away. Just tell me where it hurts, not tell me. And I love you with a love so tender. When you let me stay, I love you all the way. Gonna take it all away, baby. Is it your heart? It's breaking on pieces, making cry, making you feel blue. Is there anything that I can do? Don't you tell me when it hurts, my baby. And I do my best to make it better. I'll do my best to see that go away. Tell me what it hurts, not tell me. And I do you with a love so tender. Oh, when you let me stay, I love all of so someday. Is there anything that I can do, babe? Just tell me what it takes. Now I love you and the love so tender. Oh, and I love don't forget to subscribe.